Hello, it's Mrs.Z. Mrs.Z, and today is February 3rd, 2025, and this is lesson 12, module 5, mission 4, exit ticket. So let's start. Okay, the exit ticket says in a classroom, 1/6 of students wearing blue shirts. Then 2/3 are wearing white shirts. There are 36 students in the class. How many students are wearing shirt other than a blue and white? So we also have some that is not blue or white. So how we can represent this? We can see that the whole classroom is 36 students. So let's start with fraction. So 1/6 plus 2/3 plus some more that we don't know must equal one whole classroom. One whole classroom. And of course, this is 36. If we think about that, that is 36. But we will first we look that these are sixths and these are thirds. So I would like to make them equivalent by multiplying by 2. I can change 2/3 into sixths. So we will have 1/6 plus 4/6 plus unknown number of sixths. We can make like a square here, must equal the whole in terms of sixths are 6/6. Okay. Right now you can see what is missing number, because you can tell me that 1 plus 4 is 5, and then this number, when you add in, it has to equal to 6. So right there we know what this is. So we can think, okay, 1/6 plus 1/4 makes 5/6 plus 1/6 equals 6/6. Here, these are blue and white shirts, and these is other. So we can say these are other, and these are blue and white shirts. Okay, now we can talk about how we can figure it out this if we draw a picture of that. So let's see, we're talking about sixth. So right now I can make open rectangle, and I need to have equivalent um, 6 spaces. So I will do just that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have to extend a little more, because so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now I have 6 equivalent. Each represents 1/6. Okay, and then I can color. I can say, oh, 1/6 is, they say blue. So if this is blue, 1/6 is blue. Okay. 2/3 are white. So these are already white. So, but that is a 4/6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So this is blue, and this is 4 of them. 4/6 is white, and 1/6 is blue. And then we will have the rest is 1/6 is other. So I'm gonna make it like different mixed color. Let's see, a little bit red. So that represents other colors. So 1/6 is other colors. Okay, now this whole represents the 36 students. Now we need to think, okay, 36 divided into 6 equals what? Or we can think what number times 6 equals 36. By now, you should tell me that this is 6, because 6 times 6 is 36. So each of these represents 6 students. So 6 students were all blue. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 times 6 is 24. So the white were 24 students. And then other colors were 6 students as well. So now we can write how many students are wearing a shirt other than blue or white. That's the question we need to answer. Okay, 6 students are wearing a shirt other than blue or white. Okay, and then if you like to make it a little more, you can say blue 6 students. Okay, white 24 students, and then other 6 students. When we add all these together, so blue 6 students, white 24 students, and 6 other students, all together they should add up to 36 students. So 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 6 is 16. Remember 1, and that is 36 total students. So that now you have a check that is your calculation is correct. Okay, and that was exit ticket lesson 12. Okay, let me see if I can make it. Okay. Thank you for listening. I hope that this helps, and see you next time. Love, Mrs.Z.